Okay, hello everybody, this is Tim. Today I need to do this one I've been thinking about for a while and I haven't just done it yet, so I'm going to do it. I'm going to use a blow dryer and I'm trying to create like a splash look. So I'm going to use white as a base, and that of course is my Artist Loft white. Artist Loft. And I'm going to use a dark marine blue and a light blue and then a little bit of black. So this is only going to be like 3-4 colors at that. Okay. Alright. I've got the slate all prepared. The back of it's all blocked off for us so we have a paint to protect it. It's easier to clean this way too. Okay. I'm going to start off by putting this white on here. Get these bubbles out of here. See a lot of them. I just mixed up this stuff too, so it's pretty normal for it to have a lot of bubbles in it when you do that. And I'm sure there'll be more. Okay. Here's the plan. Don't know if it's going to work this way, but I have a plan. I'm going to go like right here so I can blow out this way. Okay. So let's just kind of make a line right here. Dark. Then some light blue. A little bit of black. Not very much. Not very much at all. Okay. And some more light. I don't know. Just gotta try it to see if it'll work. I have a picture in my head, but you know how it goes with this hobby. Picture something in your head and it doesn't mean it's gonna work out that way, right? Okay. I gotta put some more white on both sides of it. This is only the first part of it. I still gotta try to figure out how to create some water splashes. Well, that's gonna be interesting. Alrighty, let's go with this. Okay, you're all still in there. Yep. Okay, look at yours. I think I can see a hair in there. I don't want that. Well, whatever it was, it's gone. Could have been from my own. Okay, let's go. Okay. And then there's some more. I wonder if this is coming from me. Oh, this hair's showing up. Well, that looks pretty cool, actually. Right there. Might just have to put a little bit more of just a little bit of some white blue here. Oops. A little bit of some darker blue right here. A little touch of some black. Okay, remember this is only the first part. There we go. All right. That looks gorgeous. Okay, now. Now, I'm going to take these little tiny cups and I'm going to put just, you can see this, I don't want to get it over the painting because I don't want to drop any in there. Okay, so I'm going to go just a little bit there. You seeing this? A little bit of blue. And a little bit of dark blue. And another touch of white. I've never tried this, so I'm scared to death. But you never know until you try, right? Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of black of this, but I can't show you. Okay. I don't even know if this is going to work. I'm scared. Oh, look at that. Worked. Oh! I impress myself sometimes. Yes. Oh, no, 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 no. Something hit that wasn't allowed. We must take it out. Quickly. There we go. Even if it becomes a spot, it's okay. All right. Let's do another one. A little bit of white. A little bit of blue. A little bit of dark blue. Can you see this? A little bit more white. Okay. I don't know why I do that. It's a weird reaction to authority, I guess. Here we go. I like it. Now I need to do some flicking. Yes. 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 I don't know why, but these are really popular. I like this. Something a little different. There was some white too, but I gotta do it this way. There you go. Okay. Like I said, this is something I've never done before. I think it's cool, huh? What do you think it needs? More splattery of darkers. This is that point where you, I gotta stop. Do I stop? Do I don't stop? I think I'm gonna stop. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stop. Let's hit it with the torch. I get some more cells out of this, but it's okay. All right. Yeah. But I wonder if I do just a little right here. Maybe with just the mouth. Yeah, there we go. Alrighty. Totally different. All right, guys, let me bring you in for a close-up, okay? Fingers are clean enough. Hold on. Right on, right on. For a first try, I like it. All right, let's take a closer look at this. We got the little explosion down here. And we're shooting sparks. We're a water splash. I like it. For the first one. Yeah, yeah. All right, let's see how this one dries. Oh yeah, the outline there of that right there, that looks awesome. Yes. There we go. All right, guys, thanks for watching. It's very entertaining for me. I hope it is for you. Give me a like, subscribe, push that like button. It really helps push this out, okay? It'll help get it out there in the algorithm so other people on YouTube can watch this, okay? And I will talk to you folks in a bit. All right, God bless.